And the consolidation of the UAE's banking sector rolls on. This morning, ADCB, Abu Dhabi Commercial Bank, confirmed that it will be swapping shares with Union National Bank, UNB, to create a new entity that would then be acquiring the privately owned Al Hilal Bank. UNB's CEO has stepped down or retired, and the group CEO of Abu Dhabi Commercial Bank will become the new CEO of the new entity. The new lender will have $114 billion of assets, making it the fifth largest bank in the region. We don't know right now about any potential job losses, although that probably will become better known in the coming days. The transaction or merger is expected to close in the first 6 months of this year. Elsewhere, Huawei, the Chinese technology maker, has refuted allegations by the US that it has obstructed justice, stolen technology and committed bank fraud. On Monday night, US lawmakers filed charges against the Chinese company of fraud and theft after a long battle over whether Huawei was committing crimes in the US. The war between the two has already caught up Huawei's CFO, its chief financial officer, the daughter of the company's founder, who was arrested in Canada last month and is currently being held on bail, awaiting extradition to the US. The allegations and the accusations threaten US and China trade talks as the two countries seek to overcome the differences that have held them down since Trump took office in 2016. And lastly, today is a huge day for the California-based technology company Apple, as they prepare to release results that are expected to be weaker than usual. On January 2nd, they put out an announcement saying that they were expecting lower revenues on the back of weak growth in China, the first time in over 10 years that they will miss a target. That weak growth has impacted other companies like Intel, like Nvidia, and like the construction company Caterpillar, all of whom have suffered from the slowdown in business in China. Apple have also already been hit by one bad news story today when it was revealed that FaceTime calls could snoop on the respondent or the recipient of that call. It was an accidental technology flaw that allowed you to be able to listen even if the other person hadn't picked up the phone. You could listen to what they were doing, the microphone would turn on. Apple say that they are in the process of resolving the issue and it should be done shortly. That's all for today. Thanks very much for watching. You can find more from golfnews.com. I'm Ed Clowes. See you tomorrow.